Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kapwing for AI thumbnail automation. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Kapwing into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Kapwing website link from the search results. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be presented with multiple sign-up options, including email and social media accounts. Choose your preferred sign-up method. If you select email, enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to read the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Once you have filled in your details, click the Sign Up button again. If you signed up using social media, follow the prompts to connect your account. After successful registration, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Kapwing website and log in using your registered credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Now, look for the AI Tools section on the left sidebar. Click on AI Thumbnail Maker to begin using the thumbnail automation feature. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your first automated thumbnail. Customize your thumbnail by adding text, images, and styles as needed. After finalizing your design, click the Export or Download button. Your AI-generated thumbnail will now be ready for use. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Kapwing for AI thumbnail automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.